Welcome back to computer class. We are discussing on the topic more on paint program, right? So today we are going to start a topic that is a tab. This is paint program. So paint program consists of two tabs, that is home tab and view tab. Can you see? Yes. So here we are going to discuss about home tab in paint program. Home tab in paint program. Okay. So when we click the home tab, we can see different options. Can you see? Here clipboard one group is there, image group is there, tools groups are there, brushes, shapes, colors, everything we can see on the home tab. Right? So already you have learned to use these tools, shapes, colors which is there in the home tab. Everyone know to use this? Yes. So this to use the pencil, to use the brush, to use shapes, colors, everything we have learned. So today we are going to discuss a new thing from this home tab. Okay. So here can you see the image group? Can you see the image group here? Yes. Today we are going to learn some of the option which is present in image group of home tab. Here you can see on home tab select option. When we click this select option, you can see rectangular selection, freeform selection, select all. So today we are going to learn about these three options. One is rectangular selection, freeform selection and select all. This is the thing that we are going to discuss today. How can we use these tools? Everything will be discussed on today. Okay, so let us start. Selecting the drawing. Selection. Okay, what is meant by selection? From a drawing, we can select a part or all part of the drawing. Okay, so here we are going to learn how can we select the drawing. Selection. Selection is an important activity in paint program. Selection is an important activity in paint program. You need it for various operations on the image like cut, copy and delete. We have to use this selection tool to do some of the functions in paint program, that is like cut, copy, delete. To do all that things, first we have to select the picture. Clear? We can select wall or part of the drawing using select command. We can select wall in the sense all, okay, the entire picture, full picture. We can select wall or part of the drawing using select command. That is the main use of this select option. So we can select a part or full picture by using the select command. Selection is present in the image group. The selection option is present in the image group. There are two types of selection. We can select the shapes. We can select the pictures using two type of selection shapes. One is rectangular selection and the one is freeform selection. So there are two types of selection shape. We can select the pictures using two shapes, that is rectangular selection and freeform selection. Rectangular selection and free form selection. That are the two types of selection. Okay, so let us discuss it one by one. Rectangular selection. To use the rectangular selection, what are the things we have to follow? Okay, let us see. Step 1. Click the select from image group. First we have to select the option. We have to click the select option from the image group, and from that we have to choose the rectangular selection. Step 2 is click and drag over the area of drawing. We have to click the select option from the image group. Then we have to choose the rectangular selection. After selecting the rectangular selection, we have to click and drag over the drawing. Okay, we have to click and drag over the drawing. That is the thing we have to do to choose the rectangular selection. To use the rectangular selection, step 1, click select from image group, choose the rectangular selection option, and we have to click and drag over the area of the drawing to get that picture. Here I am going to show you how to use the selection tools in this picture. The first type of selection is rectangular selection. To use the rectangular selection, first you have to click on this select option. Then we have to choose rectangular selection. Then we have to click and drag. So in rectangular shape we can select the picture. This is one type of selection. Okay. Second one, free form selection. For that also we have to choose the select option, click the free form selection, and we can select like this. According to the shape of this picture, we can select. Okay, that is free form selection. Once again, let me show you free form selection. We can select the picture according to that shape of the picture using the free form selection. Third option is select all. Entire picture will be selected. This is the 3 selection tool which is present in the Paint program. Did you understood? To take the free form selection, what are the things that we have to do the free form selection? To use the free form selection, we have to do same thing. We have to click the select option from the image group and choose the free form selection. Step 2, we have to click and drag the mouse irregularly. We can click and drag the mouse irregularly, so we will be selecting this. So free form selection, to use free form selection, click select from image group and choose the free form selection and click and drag the mouse. Select all. This command helps to select the entire picture. This option helps us to select the full picture. To select the entire picture, we have to click on the select option on the image group and then click the select all option. Symbol. Okay. So these are the ways of selection. These are the 3 ways of selection in Paint program. So let me show you how to select it using the Paint program.